So all those, the police chief of who supervised the killing of Parahinog, and Marcos, who is being prosecuted now, they will have my protection. Not to obstruct justice. I will allow justice to run. But there is a time where the president will have a part of it. And that is where I can assure you, you will have the justice that we all want. Remember that. But do not go into the contraband itself. Like the policemen who are now shortlisted in the killing of so many civilians buried in a cemetery there at the back of the barangay hall. Each of those policemen carry on their head now, I am announcing, 2 million per head. And you are free to go and live. 2 million per head, dead or alive. I will be visiting Osamis. I will not tell you when, but I will warn the policemen there. Yung kasama ni Parahinog and his cahoots or members of the PNP and who are responsible for the death of the 6 soldiers before, you will have your comeuppance. I will see to it that you too will get a fair share of